how to dropship on TikTok Shop, CJ Dropshipping. Hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, we will be talking about and showing you guys how you will be able to use TikTok Shop over here together with CJ Dropshipping, which is a great place or a great platform to use as a source of your different dropshipping products. As you can see in CJ Dropshipping, it has all kinds of products and they have a feature like a carousel over here, which basically allows you to find currently trending or currently in demand products, and it has seasonal products as well, which is very helpful with determining which products you should be selling so that you will be able to get a lot of sales. For example, with a situation wherein you're trying to dropship some Christmas lighting, it's not going to sell well because it is not seasonal. But with this, as you can see, there are products that are bundled together with the back to school section over here, which is going to be basically an easy way to get money because right now, a lot of people are buying back to school products. And TikTok is a great platform for you to use as your source of, or rather your store, because of the amount of traffic, the amount of users, you have a high chance of selling a lot of items or a lot of products. And it even has some affiliate marketing features wherein you will be able to hire different creators to promote your product, which is amazing and really great. And so to be able to connect these two platforms, it's very simple. There's nothing to pay. You don't need to pay for anything. Basically, first have an account in CJ Dropshipping. Registration is free and you will see this page that I am seeing right now. Now what you're going to do is you're going to look over here on the left side. You have different main tools available. And you have your find products, which is our page over here, where you will be able to find and locate different products. We have cart, you have products related over here, you have everything related to orders, you have extra features over here like sourcing, custom packaging, customization, print on demand, photography service, and 3PL fulfillment over here, which is really great. So you're not only going to be dealing with drop shipping, you're also able to do a lot more, which is really great. So over here, under the specific button over here, second to the last, you will see this list of stores that you are able to connect to with CJ Dropshipping. We have Shopify, eBay, AliExpress, Webm Stuff or Shop, TikTok Shop US, TikTok Shop Lazada, and many more. And we passed by TikTok Shop over here. You might be wondering, why are there two TikTok shops? Which one do you choose? Now, the TikTok Shop US, or this option, only existed because back in the day, only TikTok Shop US was available for us to connect with CJ Dropshipping. You were not able to connect it with other platforms or other regions, but now we are able to, and we could easily do that. So simply select TikTok Shop over here, which would allow us to redirect to the authorization or like the page where you will be able to connect TikTok Shop. As you can see here, simply click on Add Store. And over here, it will give us notes, extra instructions on how to connect it properly. Mainly, and one of the most important thing is the warehouse setting. To do this or to fix this, simply open or click on TikTok Shop over here. Look over here under your My Accounts. Click on Account Settings. And in this page, you will see here are different settings over here. And you will be able to identify or see warehouse settings over here. Simply select Warehouse Settings. And this is where you will be able to modify your pickup warehouse and return warehouse. It is important to modify those and put in the information of CJ Dropshipping because the product or the users will get the products from CJ Dropshipping. You yourself will not be handling the inventory because that defeats the purpose of defeats the purpose of dropshipping. And so you need to set it up so that TikTok will get the product from CJ Dropshipping and return the product to CJ Dropshipping if there is a request for return or replacement. And these are the following information that you need to input. You have the CJ Dropshipping as a warehouse name, We have our contact person over here, our phone number, the street address, and region. Simply select this button, which will allow you to copy it to your clipboard, and you can easily copy and paste it inside of your TikTok shop seller when you modify your warehouses. Now, after that, simply click on OK. And then you will be able to move to the next step. Now, it will redirect us to TikTok shop, wherein we will be logging into our account. So it's like how you are logging into your TikTok shop for the very first time on your phone or your desktop. You will be able to select your account type. You have your Asia seller and North America seller. So in the Asia seller, over here you have all of this list, and simply select the one that you need. So click on next, or rather select the one that corresponds to your account. So over here, simply wait for it, and we will be redirected to TikTok shop, where it's going to ask us to install an app so that we will have a seamless connection. But over here, it's going to have an error because mine had, or I didn't change my warehouse, and there's other errors that I cannot really explain. But for you guys, I hope it works. And over here, you're simply going to install your CJ Dropshipping, which is going to be this button over here. After connecting, we should go back to CJ Dropshipping over here. After connecting or successfully connecting your store, you can now look for products that you want to dropship. So for example, let's look for a very simple product over here. Maybe this bag over here. Simply select the product that you like or that you want. You will see over here a typical e-commerce template. You can see the photos, the videos, the title, the description, all of those things, as you can see here. The difference is you will be able to see here on the left side or the right side on the bottom, two buttons, list and connect. You can also buy a sample if you want, but the most important here right now is the list and connect. The list basically adds the product to our store, which is going to be our TikTok shop, and connects basically connect the already existing product on your store to establish an automatic order fulfillment. So to be able to add this new product onto our store, simply click on list, and now you will see this page over here. Select store selection, and simply select your TikTok shop among the list. After that, you will be able to modify the title, the collection, the product type, the variants over here, the product variants. You will be able to modify those as well. You also are able to modify your image and videos. You could select which image or which videos do you want. And you are also able to modify your description over here. You can remove some photos or some description. And after that, simply click on list now, and it should be able to successfully list this product onto your TikTok shop within the day. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.